guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about one more latest off-campus placement drive from Micro Focus. So in this video, we'll talk about all the things such as the job location, about the qualifications required for the job, all the required skills and the responsibilities they'll be giving once you are finally placed for this position. So we'll discuss each and everything in detail, so please I request you all to not skip the video in between and watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea over this job and can easily apply. So let's start with the today's video, that is about Micro Focus. So Micro Focus Software is hiring for the position of a software developer and the location for the job will be Bangalore, and all the eligible batches for this job are like 2019 and 2020 eligible graduate candidates are eligible for the drive. And further we'll talk about the educational qualifications required. So all the BE, BTech holders and ME and MTech holders and all the MCA holders are eligible for the same, and the batches are like 2019 and 2020 graduates are eligible. And talking about the required skills, so the very first required skill they have mentioned here is like a good academic scores and possesses strong Java coding skills and OOPS concepts and excellent knowledge of data structures. Fourth one is knowledge of JavaScript, jQuery, Angular 7 and above. And the fifth one is good exposure to modern front-end development frameworks and good analytical and aptitude skills, exposure to Linux, good communication and written skills. So these are the skills they have mentioned here for this job role. And further about the industry experience, so 0 to 2 years of proven industry experience in Java, data structures and front-end technologies is required. So even if you don't have any kind of experience, still you are eligible for the same. You can just give a try in this job even you are a fresher. So further talking about the roles and responsibilities, so they are hiring for a motivated, highly passionate software developer for Open Enterprise Server, which is part of the File and Print Service Group, who possesses excellent academic scores, talent, skill sets and confidence to work with a world-class development team at IDC Micro Focus. So I'll give the link for the same in the description box of the video, so please go to that link if you are willing to apply or if you are willing to read all these responsibilities and all the other stuff in detail. So just go to that link and you'll just get to know all this information properly. And further about the roles, so about the roles and responsibilities, so they have mentioned here the responsibilities like understand customer requirements, their translation to user stories and develop features, ability to independently work, code and assign feature by following all quality aspects, and third is quickly grasp the design and features of the product modules, and fourth one is understand the overall architecture of the product and the dependencies in order to develop a new feature code and fix bugs, and ability to write clean code and knowledge of running static analyzers and code coverage tools. So these are the all responsibilities they have mentioned for this job position. And talking about the position type, so this is a contract based position type and work location will be Bangalore. And here they have further mentioned about the mode of interview. So in mode of interview they have written HackerRank, code pairing or interview through Teams. So they have mentioned these three things here. And the salary will be 2.7 LPA, and working will be work from home at the moment till office resumes. So until and unless COVID is there, so they are giving all the things from work from home manner. And about the job type, so this is a full-time job and the job role will be a software developer. And about the job category, it is a IT/software work from home type of a job, and hiring process will be firstly they'll go with the written test and after that they'll conduct a telephonic interview, and the last date to apply for this job is 31st of Jan. So there is much time still, so if just go through all this information they have mentioned here. I'll provide the link in the description box of the video, so just go to that link and click there. So further you will be just redirected to this page. So here you can read all the information related to the company and other things such as the qualifications, about the responsibilities and hiring process, and also all this information you can just go through before applying. And here they have further mentioned about Micro Focus, like what is Micro Focus, which company it is. So discover the new Micro Focus, now world's 7th largest pure play software company. By combining HPE software and Micro Focus offering, we have built a brand new company with a stronger, bigger portfolio that delivers customer-centered innovation. We are uniquely positioned to help enterprise customers solve their most pressing business problems and operate in the hybrid environment. From mainframe to mobile to cloud, our portfolio spans the following areas such as the DevOps, OPS, IT operations, cloud security, information governance, big data and machine learning. So here we have seen the information regarding the company. So the last date to apply for the same is 31st of Jan, and if you are willing to apply, just click here on the apply now tab here. So further you will be just redirected to the next page. There you have to fill all the information such as your education qualifications, like your scores you have got in your academics, all the scores, and your personal information, your addresses, your contact details, and lastly you will have to upload your CV. So in this way you can just apply for this Micro Focus job. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. If you have any queries, just write below in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe, as I come up with these kind of different job openings all over the India on a regular basis. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates, and don't forget to press that bell icon. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.